I combined garlic and chicken, and the result is amazing! For this recipe, we will need 2 heads of garlic. Cut them like this. Add a pinch of salt, a little bit of olive oil, and bake it in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 minutes. We will also need 2 chicken thighs. Make some cuts like this. To continue, take the garlic out of the oven, remove the aluminum foil, put it in a bowl, and squeeze all the garlic cloves out. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Next, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of rock salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and stir to combine. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe! So like the video and write in the comments, "I love chicken recipes!" Now pour this mixture little by little over our chicken with the help of a spoon. Spread it well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut 2 potatoes in shell shape and season them with rock salt, black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, stir. You guys, this chicken is very easy to make and delicious! And add them to the pan next to our chicken. And to finish, also dice 2 carrots, add them to the pan, and bake in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Be sure to make this recipe at home, and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.